Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to enable vertical tab bar in Microsoft Edge browser. Recently this option has been enabled and live to use. So what to do? If you are on this browser, this Edge browser, just simply to get this vertical tab bar you have to right click on your on any tab which are on your browser. Like I'm clicking here and there you have to select turn on vertical tabs. If you don't want to use this option, then you can also use this shortcut which is here. You can see that. Just click on it and you will get your all tabs on vertically on this left side. Now what are the benefits? But before that, if you don't have this option, this shortcut icon, then you have to enable it from settings. Go to your settings. You can also access it from here. Here it is settings, and in the settings go to appearance, and there you have to select, scroll down and you will see that show vertical tab button. You have to enable it, then you will see the shortcut icon here, otherwise you may be not. So this is the one thing. So what is the benefit of using vertical tabs? Like on the earlier we were using this traditional bar, so sometimes when we are using multiple tabs, then it's very difficult to know which website is on some particular tab. But when we are shifting to this vertical tab, then the benefit is we can simply take our mouse pointer and we can see what exactly the website are on the tabs. If you want to turn it off, then you can simply unpin it from here or go to on the top and right click and select turn off vertical tabs. So friends, this is in this way we can enable or disable the vertical tabs in Microsoft browser.